I'm a little skeptical, but let's try it out.
All right, we're here with my good friend Jason. Jason has been struggling with chronic knee pain for quite some time. He's had all sorts of issues having gone on. What specific movements or motions hurt with that knee right now?
The dry squats hurt.
Okay.
Anytime I'm walking, running.
Trying to be active.
Yep, active.
Starts to aggravate.
So it gets aggravated, and so I don't do a lot of the things that I love to do, which is robbing me of the lifestyle that I want.
We're going to do a 1 treatment challenge with knee decompression and low-level laser therapy. We're going to see how Jason does. All right, so we are just about done. The knee decompression has finished. Lasers are just about done. We're going to have Jason hop up off the table here, and we're going to recheck and see how his knee is doing. Go ahead and stand on up there, Jason. Move around.
It's already not as swollen.
Oh, that's good.
It's gone down.
Go and do a squat. See how that feels. Going down, coming up.
Dude, that feels good. Big difference. Significant difference. That feels good.
Able to put some weight on it, no problem, and move around with it.
Wow.
That's pretty awesome.
I'm ready to run a triathlon now, man.
There you go.
Let's do it.